Textile machines are mechanical devices used in the textile industry to process fibers and create various types of fabrics and textiles. These machines play a crucial role in transforming raw materials into finished textile products. They can be categorized into different types based on their specific functions and processes involved. Yyharness provides the best harness for textile machines. Each textile machine serves a specific purpose and contributes to the overall textile manufacturing process. The choice of machine depends on the desired fabric type, production volume, and other factors specific to the textile manufacturer's requirements. Textile machines revolutionize the industry with their precision and efficiency. Spinning machines transform fibers into yarn, while weaving looms create intricate fabrics. Knitting machines produce versatile knitted products. Dyeing and printing machines add vibrant colors and patterns. Finishing machines enhance the quality of textiles. Embrace automation for a future of streamlined production. Advanced textile machines combine innovation and craftsmanship. High-speed spinning machines create consistent yarns. Automated weaving looms produce complex patterns with ease. Knitting machines offer versatility and speed in garment production. Dyeing and printing machines provide stunning color options. Finishing machines ensure impeccable quality. Embrace cutting-edge technology for efficient textile manufacturing. Quality policy. We at Yyharness is committed for manufacturing of wiring harness and fulfill applicable requirements and deliver it to customer on time with minimum error. We will do this through continually improving our quality management system.